Hi, this is Owen, and I'll be your host for this first episode of Tech Tips Live, brought to you by PCSI. Today we'll be setting up the newest version of the Apple iPhone due to numerous calls regarding this easy configuration. We at PCSI are dedicated to sharing knowledge and hope that you find this helpful. Thank you. Alright, welcome back. So we're here to configure the Apple iPhone for an Exchange 2003 server. And before we get started here, I want to go over 4 pieces of information that you will need prior to setting this up. You will need your Exchange server address, your email address, your username and password, and the domain name. Now, as we get started here, you can see that there are dots at the bottom. In fact, there's 2 here. Now, that indicates that there are 2 pages. If you have less apps, settings might be on the first page, but for most of us it will be on the second page. So we're going to scroll to the second page here, and then we're going to click on Settings. Once Settings loads and comes up, we're going to find Mail, Contacts, and Calendars at the bottom, and we're going to tap on that. And we'll see here that it says Add an Account at the top, so we're going to click on that. And of course we want Microsoft Exchange, so we're going to tap on that. Now what we have here are 4 pieces of information that we needed earlier, and we're going to fill this information out. So my email address, which is first initial, last name, now your domain name, generally speaking, is going to be the string after the @ symbol. So for me it's preferred sys.com. And of course spelling is always a good thing. So I gotta go back here a little bit and add that ED. Alright, my username. This is going to be the username that you use to log into your PC in the morning. So, that's my username. Now, of course, you don't want to be typing in your password while cameras are watching, but I'm making an exception here. So after I put in my password, I'm going to click Next. Now, it's going to say at the top, Verify an Exchange account information. And it is going to fail here once it comes up, but that's fine. We're going to hit Accept anyways. It's going to try once again, and it will fail once again. But this time it will bring up a new box here. It says Server. We're going to tap on that, and we're going to type in our Exchange server address in here. Now, for those of you who have used OWA or Outlook Web Access, this will more than likely be the address that you're typing in, but you're not going to put /exchange at the end. For the rest of you who haven't used Exchange, it should be the same as your domain. However, if you're having problems with this step, you can always give us a call. We're going to click Next again, and it will fail again. We're going to click Next again. And it's going to ask us, what do you want to do? Because it's saying that it keeps failing. We're just going to want to hit Save. And that's fine. Now on this screen, you'll see how it says Mail, Contacts, and Calendars, and it's asking you, what do you want to set up for this account? What do you want to sync? And we're going to turn off Contacts and Calendars because of the fact that if we leave these on, they will overwrite anything that you have put in your phone already. So to be safe here, we're going to turn those off. Now we will, towards the end of the video, show you how to turn these on once you've already backed up your contacts. And now at the top, we're going to click Done. And it's going to finish the configuration and go back to the Mail, Contacts, and Calendars page. So we're going to click on our account once again and click on Account Info. And you'll see down at the bottom it says Use SSL. This is the main trick to getting the iPhone to work. You have to slide this to off, and then you have to click on the back button, which reads as your email address at the top left. And we're going to click back again, which reads Mail. And we'll see here that we're back at this main contacts and calendars page. We're going to click the settings back, and now we're back at the main settings page. We're going to click this button to go back to the main page. Now you'll see down at the bottom you have your mail icon. So we're going to click on that mail icon, and as you will see here, it is connecting to the Exchange server, and we'll begin downloading messages. Now, that's all fine and dandy. So let's go back here. Go back to the settings, mail, contacts, and calendars. And we're going to click on our account again. Now, as I said, if you have backed up your contacts and your calendar events that are on the iPhone already, you can go ahead and select this to be on. As you'll see, there's going to be a slight delay as it does this. And once we've turned those on, we can go back and back to the main page. Now your contacts and calendars will also be synchronized. Take in mind, if you want to add a contact, you can always just put it into Outlook, and once your contacts are selected, it will synchronize your contacts as it should. Thank you for this episode of Tech Tips Live. I hope to see you again. Bye.